Hi, my name is Liam, and today we're going to be taking a minute to get to know the LG WKE100HWA. This LG wash tower is designed for that condo laundry closet or for those who want stacked laundry but require a little bit more accessibility when it comes to the controls. What do I mean by this? Well, let's have a look. As you can see, the LG wash tower has both washer and dryer controls located at the center of the unit. Compared to the traditional stacked front-load laundry, where the dryer controls are located at the very top of the unit, this LG WKE100HWA has the center control panel that allows for everything to be within reach. No need to break out that step ladder again. All of this comes with the capacity and features that today's families are asking for. You have the large capacity 4.5 cubic foot washer and the 7.4 cubic foot dryer. With the LG ThinkQ app, you have the ability to start your laundry from your smart device as well as receive notifications when a load is done. No matter how you look at it, this wash tower can certainly be a problem solver that you're looking for.
For more information and exclusive pricing on this product, visit our website, canadianappliance.ca, to chat with an online agent and receive a live product demonstration.